all in line and racing. Got them away to a perfect beginning, and Pocket Power landed with the leading speed. Galtier is now going around them on the far side. Big City Life's being urged along to go up handy too. Blue Tiger in behind these. Then it's Thunder Key. Pocket Power after an alert start as he's back through the field and now setting mid-division and about 5 off them. Fabiani's moved past him up on the outside. They're being followed by Forest Path, who's making a little progress round runners. Strategic News is racing in behind that. Ivory Trail towards the back of the field, and Capel is your trailer, and he's a dozen lengths off this leader. Galtier sets a good pace out front as they go to the 1,000. He has it by 2 lengths to Blue Tiger racing second. Forest Path, the round runners, has gone up to race in that 3rd place. Big City Life is back at the fence, and then it's Fabiani. They being followed then by Thunder Key, 5 off the lead. Strategic News races in behind those. Pocket Power will give them about 6 lengths start as they start to straighten up. Capel is in behind that, and Ivory Trail, the trailer. They're at the top of the lane now and head for home with 600 metres left to go. Galtier is out in front but running on empty. Blue Tiger over towards the inside closest to him, and then Forest Path. Fabiani starts to move in, and now Pocket Power gets a shake of the reins and he starts to close ground. Galtier still in front. Fabiani, Pocket Power towards the outside. Blue Tiger, Big City Life is weaving his way through traffic. Thunder Keys towards the inside. Pocket Power's now being asked to get out of them and asked the question in earnest, and Pocket Power responds as he usually does. Capel is charging home from the back of the field, but Pocket Power is out in front. Capel trying all he can, but you can't beat the champion. Pocket Power over Capel, got tight for 3rd. Big City Life and Fabiani. Strategic News behind those. Then it's Forest Path in behind that. Blue Tiger, Ivory Trail, and Galtier the last.